Today we're fishing Atlantic salmon in Iceland. It's in middle of July in Trastalundur, and here we have like a neck, really wide part of a river here that the Atlantic salmon come up. When they are quite fresh from the sea, they usually park outside here, and this is the place we're gonna be fishing today. I'm here with my guide colleague Hubert. Here we have the rod setup that I use. This is a 6-piece rod. It's the Vision Hybrid, so it packs into short pieces like this. The first part is just above the handle, so the total length when you pack it down is similar or slightly shorter than a 9-foot 4-piece. So many are familiar with that, and it's easy to pack down in your suitcase when you go traveling. So I think that's awesome. And the 6-piece 200 rods, they cast phenomenally good. I would definitely, well, for the upcoming, what rods I'm gonna fish with, I think they're all gonna be 6-weight, just because they're so nice to cast with and they pack down great. And I paired it with the Vision Exo reel. It's a 910 size. And what is important is also, of course, the line. If we do the line setup from the start, we have backing underneath, and then we have pure nylon. This is 0.70 big game line, and after that I tie that directly to the head. So the head is the Skadit head, 34 grams, which I use. It's a little bit of a almost overweighting this rod just to be able to send it out easily. It's recommended to fish 30 to 38 grams, and I'm with what I have in front of the shooting head, it is on the upper part of that, because I have this hybrid tip in the front, and it's 7.5 foot and 4 grams, and it's in clear intermediate. To that I have a tapered leader, 12 foot, 0.43 in the tip, and I also tie that directly to the fly line tip. Now it's starting to be a hassle here when we come to a tippet ring, and to there I tie a 0.40, about 3 to 4 feet of that. And then at the moment I'm using small sunray here, size 8 double hook. This is the Partridge Nordic Tube double, and just a small sunray tube. With this setup, I feel it's easy to cast in many different scenarios, and the long leader makes me able to stretch out the presentation, but also give a smooth landing. I think it's important that you land nicely on the water and not splash too much. Yeah, I hope that answers some of your questions. I'll also explain, like in text below in the video description, about the whole setup. But now I feel it's time that we do some casting, right? We're at this beautiful place, incredible scenery behind us, and salmon in the water for sure. To stand up here on the like the neck of this pool, especially in this time of year, we have a good chance for them. So let's head out there. Ja, nej! Varför gjorde jag sånt där mothugg för? Jag såg den i ytan först och sen kände jag vikten. Alltså det kan ju bara vara en röding. I'm on. I am on. Fishing a sunray here on the neck in Såg. How incredible. Ah, uppströms! Hoven är uppströms. Okay, it's just going towards me at this point. I don't know if it's a salmon or not, but I'm standing in a tricky position here where it's a strong current and I need to walk a bit upstream. There is a big hole behind me. It is a salmon! It's a big salmon. Completely fresh, stands just not outside of me. I think I come into you instead. It's like between 70 and 80. On a small sunray. Can I go backwards here? Oh, how awesome! Oh, man, it's been so calm to this point. Okay, now we're in a good position. Oh, how awesome does this feel? Can I steer it in here? He didn't like that. Fishing with a small double hook. And now it's just going out again. Trying to have it into this bay here, but it's limited place, so I gets a little bit of an awkward angle towards the end of the landing here. Does a lot of head shakes now. Ooh, he's shaking his head like a lot. Should I steer it downstream of me or? Okay, it's so active in the water, it's crazy. Yes! Oh, nice. Ooh. Oh, did that just happen? Super fresh, amazing colored salmon. Oh, how pretty. First time fishing here at Såg, and I just, wow. How amazing. Look at that fish, it's so girthy. How cool, huh? Finally, Atlantic salmon in the net. Oh. 75 centimeter, gorgeous salmon here. It's ready to go back into the river where it belongs. I have huge respect for the salmon, and I hope they will be here for hundreds or thousands of years to the future. They are a threatened fish, and just to be amazing to be able to hold one. Atlantic salmon, 75 centimeter, and on Iceland. So great.
Nice.
Oh, what a great feeling, landing a salmon like that on such a beautiful place. It was my favorite moment when, well, of course, for me, I think the best part of the whole experience was the beginning of the fight, because I lost that fish earlier that took, and I made a stupid hook set. It was so poorly done, poorly executed. To get the revenge on that and just be cool and wait until I feel the weight of the fish. But also the coming like probably 20 seconds where I really thought it was an Arctic char. Just came slowly towards me, and when it came like just a little bit more than the leader length outside of me, it gave its side in the water to me. Could see it was a salmon. That moment where I could see it is something I will carry with me. That was a great moment. And if you're interested in coming here and fish, this is the water that runs down from Lake Tingvatlavan, the legendary trout water. It's a whole area with fantastic trout fishing opportunities. So if you come in July to here, then you can combine it with salmon fishing in this place. I think that's something I would look forward to do, having that possibility of fishing both two-handed fishing and single-hand fishing all in one trip. So I definitely recommend checking out this place. I'm on. I'm freaking on again. It's doing the same thing here. It's coming upstream, swimming towards me. It's just insane. What a place. Back-to-back runs here. This place must, in these conditions, it must be packed with fish here. Right towards the other side. Oh, this one is not, I don't like where it's going right now. Trying to palm this. Trying to, okay, now it comes back again. I'm worried that it is gonna go through the stream here. It's not easy to fight a big fish in a big river, but now it's coming in a little bit shorter line again. So we're doing our best to try to keep it up here in this pool here. Crazy salmon fishing at the moment. Sorry, Hubert, to taking two. Oh, they're heavy. Sunray eaters, huh? This time when there is a bit more wind, I was not happy with the presentation there. The leader did not land as straight as when I had the first take, but still I was more surprised about this one when it took. I did not feel I made a good cast. Ja. Känns så. Helvete. Helvete vad den går. Ooh. This is ripping down the current now. Okay, please stop there. Oh, he's shaking his head. I think it's turning again. Yeah, it's coming up again. Feels like it doesn't want to go down that stream. That's good. Feels like the fjords of Norway when you stand here. These spectacular big cliffs. And salmon on the hook. Size-wise, what do you think about this one? Quite. You think it's smaller than the first one?
Similar or smaller, I would say.
What if it's the same fish? It's just one fish here.
The same.
Yeah, quite similar. Yeah, I agree. All right, time for the netting.
Yeah.
Oh my god! 2 salmon in one day! Och blöder den va?
Ja, va? Hur fan kunde vi...
Jävlar!
Hur kunde vi tro att det var samma tid? Det var mycket större.
Whoa. It's over, buddy. We're gonna have a look at you and then we're gonna release it. You're gonna go back. Oh, it's much bigger. Oh, this is huge. The girth around the tail here is just massive. Oh, it's so solid. What? Oh, it's such a heavy fish. Ah, what's going on here? Have a look at this solid bar of silver. Super cool. Wow. Incredible. Amazing fish. So chrome. Gonna let it go here. Nice. Perfect. And this is my best salmon fishing day ever. I'm just blown away. I hope Hubert will be able to catch one as well. But thank you so much for watching. This is I can't expect anything to become better than this. So we're gonna end the video here. Releasing my second salmon in one day. Just unbelievable. If you want more salmon content, I made some. I want to have some space next to me here. Here is a video from fishing Baltic salmon in River Lainio. This is when I caught my biggest salmon ever. But I think this day is in the same league. Incredible. So yeah, see you over there.